Guys, how are you today? I'm Zubair from ZubiTechWorld, bringing you another exciting video. Well, this phone created much of a hype, and I thought, why not just check it out and see what this phone is capable of, what are the main features and what are the negatives and positives of this Tecno Spark. Let's see inside what are the contents and what are the capabilities of the smartphone, the internals and the externals as well. Stay tuned for this particular cell phone unboxing and first impressions. So let's go. Well, first of all, let's see. This is the 128 8 gigs of well, this is the Starry Black 128 8 gigs of RAM, and the Tecno 10 Pro in front. Written back, you'll see the camera specifications and the gaming processor G88 is shown. Well, we'll have to check it out for this gaming processor by giving it a stress test. Now let's just unbox this and see what's inside. I'm excited. I know you are as well. Okay, the plastic. Well, I can't wait for this baby to open it. Okay, some of the ceilings. Let's just take it out and see what's inside. Yeah. We are getting there. Yeah, we are getting there. And from this box comes another inside box, and here are some of the specifications written. It is the Starry Black 128 gigs and plus 8 RAM, and your Tecno logo. Let's see. Wow. Wow. Nice packaging by Tecno. No doubt about it. On the front, plastic is written, and 32 megapixels ultra glowing selfies, 32 megapixels of selfie, 50 megapixels of ultra clear rear cameras, G88 processing, 128 and 16 GB. It is told that 8 GB is extended as well. 90 Hz, 6.8 full HD screen. Not bad for the specs. Not bad. Nice looking smartphone. Well, from the back it's glass, not the cheap looking material which was plastic. It is glass this time, and it beats the competition for its good looks and glassy material. So far so good. Let's put it aside and see other contents, what we have the Tecno is providing us. I see a case and good looking silicone case. It's your warranty, and main thing, the brick charger that supports 18 watts of charging, the 5000 milliamp hour battery supported by 18 watts of charging, and I see a SIM ejection tool. SIM ejection tool is also provided by Tecno, which is a nice thing. You have to find your pins all the way around in your house, but Tecno is providing you with this pin as well. So that's about it. Nothing else. So putting these things aside and coming on to the main thing. This is our Tecno. This is our cell phone. Let's own this baby and check it out. Okay, Techno, powered by Android, and this is the Android 13 on the go on the Tecno 10 Pro Spark. Can't wait to just check it out. A nice looking Tecno logo. Okay, I'll just fill out my things and I'll catch you later. Well, I've installed all the necessary information on this cell phone. From the front, we have the 30 megapixels of camera, and rear is 50 megapixels. Let's just quickly check out camera samples of this 50 megapixels. It's not a bad one. It really is not. I have to look at the controls as well. Okay. Well, not a bad one as well. Not a bad camera. Well, not a bad camera for a 50 megapixels. Let's try out again. Check out the color saturation. Well, colors are more vibrant. Colors are more vivid on this Tecno Spark 10. Well, camera is also good. And the other features, let's check out the settings. Well, it has its own operating system, so we'll have to get used to it. Nice. Let's check out the screen quality. Just quickly checking out. And 90 Hz of refresh rate is also quite perfect working on this one.
iPhone users versus Android users.
आईफोन का चार्जर है ये आईफोन है आईफोन
The colors are good. Saturations. The colors are good. Not bad. Not bad in this price range. So it has 180p of display and it's not bad. It's really not bad. In this price range, it gets the job done. So thumbs up for that. Let's just quickly check out the G88 processor. I'm playing this game. Oh my god. What is happening? Sonic Dash. Alright. So far so good. So we will enjoy the games on the Tecno 10 Pro. We'll play later. So guys, this is it. The Tecno 10 Pro. Before leaving, I'll urge you to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and touching the bell icon as it motivates me. So, leaving now, Zubair Ahmed from ZubiTechWorld. So long.